हैं तो कुछ तो खाना पड़ेगा। बट यहाँ पे अभी ओनर नहीं है तो भी अभी we came to have our dinner today. We're gonna have our dinner outside because I'm very lazy to cook dinner. So and कभी-कभी बाहर खाना चलता है, you know. When you live alone, you will know that how much it's hard to decide what to eat. It's such a hassle to decide what should we eat today. So yeah, that's why we came out to have our dinner today. Chicken wave did it. So I'm done with classes. Now I'm going back. My syllabus is completed, so yeah, I don't have to go for classes anymore. We are going to a park because it has been so long we haven't really, went out. So yeah, it started to get a little chilly in Guwahati, so I wore this very light hoodie, white t-shirt, and yeah, my usual pants and shoes. This I'm gonna shoot some dance videos as well today. So yeah, तो हम आ गए हैं पार्क में, बट अभी हम घुसे नहीं क्योंकि जो टिकट लेते हैं ना वहाँ का वो जो देने वाला वो नहीं था। सो वी आर आउटसाइड वेटिंग, और हम अंदर नहीं भी जा सकते हैं शायद क्योंकि रात हो गई है, क्योंकि इट वाज सो मच ट्रैफिक टुडे। They are clicking pictures. I'm so tired. I just shot one dance video, so sweaty. ये लोग फोटोज़ वीडियोस अभी भी ले रहे हैं, बट आई एम ऑलरेडी टायर्ड बिकॉज आई शॉट सम डांस वीडियोस, सो फ़ोटो खिंचवाने का मन नहीं हो रहा है, और आउटफिट भी बहुत बेसिक है। सो आई थिंक या स्किप। मैं आपको सिर्फ मेरा थोपड़ा दिखा सकती हूँ क्योंकि आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से। मैं रियलाइज़ करूँ कि आजकल मुझे मेरे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स ज़ीरो हो गई है, ज़ीरो। मुझे पता नहीं कि मैं किस बारे में बात कर रही हूँ कंटेंट में, इसीलिए मेरा मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम माई वीडियोस ऑल आर आई डोंट इवन टॉक, सॉरी फॉर दैट। बट मुझे सच में पता ही नहीं कि मैं किसके बारे में बात करूँ और क्या बात करूँ। So tired. I shot 2 reels today. I have to take multiple takes, so I'm still all sweaty. Now we are going back. No one's here yet. I'm the first. Today I came to college because we have viva for our internship. Yeah, we have to submit all the report and certificates that we got from our internship. So yeah, I don't know what happened. My skin has been breaking out really bad these days. Just see. बर्तन बाजार में। वाह, शायद किसी अमीर की शादी होने वाली है। हाँ। सो नाइस।
Hey, so today it's 8th December, and from tomorrow I have my final exams, and now I'm gonna make roti for tomorrow because my exams are starting from 9 a.m. literally, and my place is very far from my college. I have to wake up by 5 a.m. I guess tomorrow. Anyways, I'm gonna be late because I need to get ready. Even though it's exams, I need to get ready and be perfect, you know. Yeah, so because I have very less time left, here's my notes, and here I'm working. As much as I hate exams, I really want exams to come soon and go. I wanna, It started to get cold in Guwahati. Usually it's not much cold, but this December, I feel like it's more colder than last year. Yeah. This year again, I won't be able to go home for Christmas because of some reasons. But क्या कर सकते हैं? And my skin has been breaking out lately. Just see this dark spot. I don't know what's wrong. It's not going. It's been almost 2 months. Shit. I'm making roti for tomorrow because that early in the morning I can't really digest rice. So yeah, I'm gonna drink coffee and eat roti. I have so much to study because I had time, but I chose to be happy rather than studying. So here now I'm suffering. But it's also that जब तक pressure ना बढ़े ना, दिमाग काम करता नहीं है. That's why. Now because of the pressure, things will go directly in my brain, but I might forget it. I am probably gonna forget it. But yeah, what can we do? Let's see how the paper goes, right? My skin is in very bad condition. I don't know what happened. So I just got done with my exam, and today I was supposed to wake up at 5 a.m. but I woke up at 8 a.m. I was so late. I didn't even have breakfast. I had to book a Rapido and come. I thought I'm gonna sleep for a little extra 5 minutes, but sad life, always lafra. Guys, तो कॉलेज से आने के बाद मैंने रेस्ट किया और मैंने खाया. उसके बाद अभी मुझे एक शूट के लिए जाना है. डेट्स मिल नहीं रही थी हमारी, it was not colliding, but एग्जाम्स चल रहे हैं. आई एम वेरी बिजी, बट स्टिल काम आ रहा है तो काम को जाने थोड़ी दे सकते हैं. सो मैंने सोचा कि आज अभी कर लेती हूँ. सो tomorrow I'll study, today I'm gonna work. So yeah, let's go.
I'm ready now. I'm going for the shoot. See you there. शूट के लिए जा रहे हैं हम. Are going for the shoot. Now we are out here to have our dinner because we were hungry. Specifically her.
Hey, so it's second day of my exam, and finally today I woke up on time. It's 6 a.m. Yeah, yesterday I slept around 1 a.m. because I was studying. Because no matter how much time I have, I only enjoy studying at midnight. I don't know why. That's the only time when my brain works. So yeah, now I'm gonna drink coffee, get ready, study, and go. It's so cold today. I never felt this much cold in Guwahati before. This year it's coffee. I don't know what happened to my skin. It's been really breaking out badly. And dark circles? I'm all ready for college and now I'll go. Lip tint.
It was a little cold today. I wore this sweatshirt. Done with the exam and I'm going back now. The exam was good. My hands are literally paining so much because I have blown so much. It was nice. Here's my third paper. Now I'm heading to college. It's so cold, but not that cold. I'm waiting for the bus.
सब लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. थर्ड पेपर. हालत ख़राब हो गई है हमारी because of this exam. But I'm glad कि ये ख़त्म होने वाला है क्योंकि आज हमारा लास्ट सेकेंड पेपर है. It's tough. पता नहीं क्या होगा आज. मैंने ठीक से कुछ पढ़ा भी नहीं.
Done with third paper. It was okay.
Finally, paper 3 is over and it was good. I don't know if it's great or not, but I wrote so many things, so let's hope for the best.
Hey, so we are all set and ready to go in outstations. First showcase in Guwahati. So let's go. We're all set to go.
I guess we're gonna be late. अभी ट्रैफिक भी होगा बीच में. 5 बजे से शुरू हो गए शायद. पता नहीं क्या होगा. तो शुरू हो गए शायद. But we are still here. We are literally like running. हमारे साथ हमेशा पोपट होता है. We need to be fast.
We're still in the bus. We're gonna be late. We are finally here. We are literally running for our life. बस में आने से एकदम ट्रैफिक हो गया था. Oh my god. Finally here.
Sing this again.
Bhuvan is right there.
We met outstation. They're so handsome, literally very talented. Marshall, I'm so happy right now. They are so amazing and so down to earth. I took a photo with, and their vocals are amazing. Like seriously, I love every bit of their showcase today. Oh my God, stay in outstation for a better life, okay? Yeah.
I feel so happy and sad at the same time. I'm so sad, but I'm so happy. Yeah, I'm so happy. Like they're so handsome and it was worth all the trouble.
I got a picture with
Like they are
Google,
so amazing. Our
and
station
I
is literally so amazing.
my letter. Literally so many सोने की मछलियाँ. If you know, you know.
For us, but none for us.
So many सोने की मछली, but you know, सब ही मछलियों, सोने की मछलियों का अपना एक मछुआरा है. हमारे पास नहीं है. It's fine. I am literally regretting. हमको जल्दी आना चाहिए था. Almost ending आते आते हम पहुँचे. Seriously, but thank God at least खत्म नहीं हुआ. Today it's literally one of the best days of my life in 2025.
Today's day is very eventful. मैं बोल भी नहीं सकती कि आज क्या क्या हुआ. But well, so beautiful. Okay, so today it's my last paper. I'm waiting for the bus. Finally, last exam.